It's good, man.
So good, yeah.
It's good, it's good. अभी
पूरा
नहीं सोएगा.
spongy.
मैं अभी नहीं सोएगा. मैं अगर यहाँ पे अभी सो गया ना मैं सो जाएगा. Boys, yeah, hi.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. We should Hello.
Hi.
I'm just reading the rules and regulations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're here in
Donegal.
Today we're here in Donegal. Right now in an Airbnb, which Devashish apparently booked for us. One heck of a nice Airbnb. Nice. It's a noise house. We'll try to give you a tour of the house right now, and Srijit will lead us with like the description of the rooms and everything. So let's just do that. So let's go and have a house tour. Aja. Yeah. Let's start from this room itself. Actually, this room here is like a living room, right?
Yeah.
It's a living room with a fireplace here and a TV and a good atmosphere to have some drinks or food or everything. So it's nice. The house is nice. Has some very comfortable sofas here. Nice comfortable sofas where sort of can sit like this.
Yeah. I'm like the king of good times.
Yeah, king of good times. Everyone is king of good times.
The sofa is really comfortable.
Yeah.
You can sleep overnight.
We have a table here where we
Over there
can have
also.
food. Over here also. Over there also.
And we have a globe as well.
Yeah, we have a
See?
globe there. And then what else we have? Here we have the kitchen.
Pause.
It has everything available, like fire, like cooking place, like oven, microwave, fridge. These things, like stored things here already. So yeah, it's a good place. And Srijit is going to help me out in covering the house today.
Of course, yes.
Now we also have a washing machine. Yeah, they told us we can wash our clothes here. As if
We don't
we
use.
wash our clothes.
The secret.
Yeah, we also have a bookshelf here. Nice.
And there is something.
We have the stairs that goes upwards, and below the stairs there's this little cute washroom
Interesting.
which has an automatic light. When you open the door, the light turns off automatically, and which is like comfortable. You can come inside, you can sit inside, you can do your stuff, and you can go outside easily. So it's good. It's a cute bathroom.
It reminds me of Harry Potter.
It reminds me of
Harry
that bathroom.
Potter.
Reminds
Yeah, I mean, actually this was the room of Harry Potter.
Yeah, he stayed in a bathroom.
Yeah.
And this one here is another room. It's a gorgeous room. This room is a gorgeous room. Another living room with another big TV, a fireplace, some good sofas. It's comfortable, man. The carpet is even more comfortable. It's more comfortable here.
What's in here? Huh?
Love it.
इधर भी?
हाँ,
इधर भी?
इधर भी है. टीवी भी है. बड़ा टीवी है यहाँ पे. आराम से बैठ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Let's go upstairs.
It's cold here.
Upstairs we have like 1, 2, 3 rooms, which are like double bedrooms, both of them, and one single bedroom. Here in this particular bedroom, it's a double bedroom. I don't know who's gonna stay here. Some 2 persons are gonna stay here. It's an amazing room with a good bed, a good side table, glasses, good window view of the highway. It's a highway view, right? The highway view. It's good. I'm not gonna open the window. It's too cold right now. Side lamps. Bed is like. Really comfy. You know. And then we switch to the other room. Oh yeah, we have a washroom here too. We have a washroom here. Yeah. We have a washroom which is super clean. Like it's got everything you need: soaps, shampoos, conditioners, and it's got a system for hot water. Like you need to pull this down.
Shampoo, conditioner, shower
Yeah, you need to
gel.
pull this down, wait for some time and just switch it on
Actually,
and
everything
like, start bathing. Just like Srijit is about like feeling like doing right now. It's good. It's really clean actually. It's really clean and nice. That's good, man. That's really nice. Let's go to the other bedroom, which I want to stay tonight in. And Saurav Somani is my roommate today. So this is the room I'm gonna stay in. It's a sexy bedroom. Like I really want to have a bedroom like this. I have always wanted to have a bedroom like this, but at least I could live like for a day or two here.
Yeah.
That's the more important point. So even this bed is like ready, Srijit, for the jump. Ready for the jump.
Yeah.
1, 2. Oh, it also has a heater inside the wardrobe, as if we're gonna stand there. So it's got a lot of stuff here.
We can.
It's nice, man. It's really gorgeous. The bedroom is really gorgeous. I feel fortunate that I'm able to stay in a room like this through Airbnb, because I all text Devash, he booked the room so awesome.
Yeah.
Last time तो जंगल में book कर दिया था, इस बार अच्छा है
Sir,
room.
बहुत अच्छा है.
And yeah, let's go to the other room. So here also we have this system which is called the boost system, which is like 1x4, 1x2, 1R, 2R. It's a pumping system. It's a water pumping system which provides you with hot water if you need some. So this is the other room.
This is the room we're gonna stay in.
Which is quite classy as well as kind of retroic. It's good. The favorite part of this room for me is
They have
this one.
that.
Yeah. It's comfortable, man. It's comfortable. At least for the bombs, it's comfortable. And I am not gonna jump on this bed. This is also no. I am gonna jump on this bed too. Ah, it's comfortable, man. It's really comfortable.
Yeah.
It's nice. So basically, this was a house tour. We will start our journey from Donegal today, right?
Yeah.
We're in Donegal. It's in the westernmost part of Ireland, right? It's in the westernmost part of Ireland. Yeah. We took a bus from Donegal to Dublin. From Dublin airport we took another bus. We switched buses. We took another bus which came like it started off around 3:30, 3:50 from Dublin, and we reached here in Donegal in like 7:30. 7:45 max. But you need to be really quick with the bus thing because it's really confusing. It's really confusing. So it's nice. Bus service is good, but it's really a bit boring too. And we don't have trains here, right?
Yeah, no,
We don't have trains. So basically, if you come to Donegal,
you need
to
to
use bus, and you need to do the booking online previously, beforehand. So, and basically, it's a boring journey, but it's also fun. I would recommend people to come by bus if they're traveling to Ireland.
And luckily we had, the
we have the student pass. We
yeah.
have the student pass, so that's not a problem for us. But anyway, even if you're not having a student pass, it would be good, like because we're paying around €6. If not having a student pass. So like we are planning to go to places tomorrow in Donegal. I don't know which places we're going to plan now. We're not going to shoot that. Actually, the plan was to shoot from like the beginning, like from my apartment back in Donegal, but plans
it was
go haywire,
raining, so
it was raining, and I had an appointment in the morning. So it was a rushy situation that day, and this guy was sleeping cozy in the bed, and the cameraman Devashish was also sleeping, so can't help it. So we are like starting shooting from here, and I promise Srijit will give us good dance moves this time. I'll take a couple of more shots for one particular shots, and really good shots. You can expect really good shots this time. And when you're watching this video, I hope you guys are enjoying this. So signing off for now, right?
Yeah,
for now, just for now. We'll join you guys tomorrow morning, early morning, around 6 or 6:30, and we'll like go to different places around Donegal. Preferably, the list of places we'll be giving it in the morning, right in the house. We'll make sure. So till then, take care.
Take care.
Subscribe, like, and share this video. Tu bhi bol le.
Yeah.
Subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you're like into my channel, whenever you're seeing the video, right next down to the video, like this side mein hota hai na? Left side.
Left side.
The left side there's a subscribe button, and next to that there's a bell icon. So press both of them so that you could like get alerts for my videos on time. I'm trying to pace up. Like,
and
I'm trying
also
to
write some comments.
Yeah,
suggestions.
We need really some suggestions in the comment section.
What should we do?
Yeah, how should we get better? Take care.
Then, take care.
Bye bye
and good night.
Good night, and signing out from Donegal. Right now. We'll join you tomorrow early morning. See ya.
Bye bye.
Saurav, उठ जाओ भाई.
Hi bro.